There are several clear strengths. The built-in conical burr grinder saves counter space and delivers more consistent particle size. The 20-bar Italian pump supports authentic extraction and crema, and customizable settings let you shape grind and volume to taste. Detachable components and a large removable water tank simplify daily cleaning. Altogether, these points combine to make a capable home barista platform. There are trade-offs to note. The grinder produces some noise during operation, which may be noticeable in quiet homes. Mastering optimal grind settings takes time and experimentation, so beginners should expect a short adjustment period. Finally, while compact, the system still occupies counter space that may matter in extremely tight kitchens. These are practical considerations rather than fatal flaws.